If you want to see my refrigerator go from this to this, just keep watching. I started out with spraying the hard water stains on the water dispenser with that mixture that I use for my shower, the Dawn dish detergent and vinegar. I figured it would be a good idea to just let it soak for a little bit while I was cleaning out the rest of the refrigerator. So no judgments. My refrigerator is not usually this bad. I had been putting it off and saying I'm gonna film a clean my refrigerator with me, so like I said, it got a little bit worse than it normally is. 'Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like. And I'm just emptying everything out so that I can get it all cleaned up. The fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I'm using the Jaws kitchen cleaner to wipe everything down. I won't stop. I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. 'Cause I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. And this is the mess that taking everything out of the refrigerator makes. Yeah, I know what it's like to be broken. And I know what it's like when nothing. And now I'm just washing out all the trays. Let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. 'Cause I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't. And then I put everything back. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, live. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your matrix and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. In the beginning I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, 'cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door,
I would be the richest girl alive, alive. But you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play. And you couldn't handle that I had my ways around your mind tricks.
And I had such a fight with these darn vegetable bins. They just wouldn't go back in. I couldn't figure it out.
Yeah, I beat you at your game. And if you were me, you would do the same. Man, I really love to play. And now that I won, then it's safe to say you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play. And you couldn't handle
I got it.
my ways.
Now for the other side.
I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. And you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play. And you couldn't handle that I had my ways around your mind tricks and your side chicks. I'm a winner, babe. But you didn't win.
And this little extra drawer is very handy, but it was unorganized, so I just reorganized everything.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
And I didn't realize that the refrigerator had this built-in separator, so I took advantage of it. And I tried to kind of scrub down that area with the hard water stains, but it needed a little bit more soaking, so I just sprayed it again and let it soak. So my camera battery, also known as my phone, the camera battery on the phone died and I didn't realize it, so it cut off the whole part where I was cleaning out the freezer. And here's the water and ice dispenser with a little bit of scrubbing, and it came out really nice. And the last thing to do is clean the outside. And that's it, all done. Not exactly how I wanted to spend my afternoon, but I am sure glad I did it.